Like your friends have some interesting stories about you. Oh no, not.
A woman is gonna be curious. It's nature.
Yes.
It's just nature. I am just the only one with the balls to talk about it. Well, Lily also brings it up.
What?
Lily's the only other bitch that has my back.
Wait, what did Lily do?
Same thing! She also used a screwdriver.
That cannot be safe. Like the which part of the screwdriver?
The big part, of
Oh,
course.
you know.
The big part. The silence makes me think it's not the big part.
Anyways, so in the last picture of this, I don't like how they don't have a mat.
Of course, it was obviously. Obviously, it's the big part and not the fucking pointy end. Holy shit, man. Oh.
Hey yo womp womp.
Yo. Listen, I was desperate. I had to pee in the middle of the night, and suddenly, boom, horny. What? Don't you ever just a screwdriver? Listen. There are. You can't tell me you ain't looking at the screwdriver, and you go, "Wow, that has a nice shape." That you can't listen. Wow, you can't tell me you don't ever go to the toilet in the middle of the night. You have to pee, and as you're looking onto the bathroom counter, you realize that someone left something there by accident, and then you go clean it up, and then you go get it dirty again. Anyway. Anyway.
I guess if you are desperate enough. That's the prototype butt plug.
What? No! No! Oh god, no! It's too big for that. It's too big for that.
Explain how you know it is too big. Nothing is too big with a little patience.
Reddit!